Hello everyone, welcome back. So we saved our work from the virtual machine. So when I did a file closed, when I shut down the file, I didn't actually shut down the machine. I saved the state of the machine so I could come back and be back where I left it. But notice one thing. So now I'm showing you what the VirtualBox looks like. In the preview, you see in the background, that's the way I kind of left it, right? You remember, there was in this dark little box, I know it's very small, I don't expect you to read it, but I just want you to get a sense of what it is. It's a little terminal, because when I left it there before, there was a terminal open. So it indicates to me that, it was saved. And you can also see right here in Android Tammer, it says saved. So remember that if you don't do that, you're going to lose your work. And when you come back, you're going to start from scratch. So if you're doing your project and need to take a break, or it's taking too long, and you need to do other things and then come back to it, or have a question and cannot continue until you get an answer, you may want to save your work and just make sure you do that. So go back to the previous video that I just shared, and you see what I did, right? Just file, and then you're going to save your work. Let's explore a little bit more here. You see the name of the machine is Android Tammer 2. The operating system is other Linux. As you know, there are many Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Mint, Fedora. I mean, there are a few distributions out there. They're all Linux. Maybe they all have a small difference. In fact, if you work for a company that distributes software and the software was based on Linux, it may indicate which Linux distribution depending on how it was tested, depending on your customer base and so forth. You may want to distribute your software to run on multiple Linux distributions, but you just remember that, there is that point. It also tells you what is the memory in your machine. It has the optical hard disk. But there are some information about your machine, and that's what we're using, and that's good. So I just wanted to show you that. In the next video, I'm going to restart the machine, and this time it's going to go to the machine without me having to enter the username and the password because I saved it. So just remember that when you do start again, because you saved it, you'll be able to jump in where you left. All right, so I'll talk to you later. Take care.